here to changing cell. Then I'm going to select that, right? And then you, whoa, I messed, yeah. Then I could use the control key, and then I can select the other ones. You can also press comma, right? There's different ways to do it. You can press comma and then select. I'm just going to hold the control key now, down, and now I can select that. And for those who are really sharp on your eyes, I'll read you. It says B12 in absolute to S to J15, comma, and then B16 to G16, which is correct. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm going to add constraints. First constraint is the total ship. Oh, by the way, why don't we just do this and make sure we're good? Just for fun today, I'm going to stop for a second. I'm just going to cancel this for now. Just close this for now. I'm going to actually select this, right? I'm going to go up to formulas and do what? Create from selection. And it says, shall I name that area top row? And I'll say, okay. Then I'm going to also select total received, right? And I'm also using the control key. I'm going to select those two. And then again, I'm going to click create from what I just selected. And notice it says, do you want to use the name on the left column? And I say, okay. Yeah, again, you don't have to do that, but if you did it slowly, you know you named it all correctly. And now I'm going to go back to data, solver, and now I'm going to go ahead and just add. Now I'm going to specifically select, the first one says the total ship, which I'm just selecting the area, right? Has to be less than or equal to the capacity. So I'm just going to say okay. And I noticed that after I selected it, it actually put the actual name that I gave that area. So often that's just as a side if you want to get fancy, right? The other way is just to make sure, if you didn't name it, just make sure you know that the region is exactly the right region that you've just selected. Okay, and then we're going to add the other one. We're going to add total received, right? Now this is tricky, right? Total received has to be greater, or total received at each distribution center has to be greater or equal to what we forecast we need. So we have to actually go to the middle and do the switcheroo so that it says it's greater than or equal to, right? And then on the right side now, I will select the forecasted demand.
That's wrong.
Yeah,
equal.
Thank you for catching that. That's how we always mess up. I thought I had it, but it, but my palsy sort of went like this. Okay, so okay, we got that. Shouldn't make fun. Otherwise, I'll act like our current president. Never make fun of people with disabilities. Okay, so I'm going to say okay. So I got it. I got total received has to be greater than the demand. Total ship has to be less than the capacity. Cool. And should I do integers? Should I force the